Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Microsoft Edge and heading straight to Settings. This saves time. Once done, make sure you're signed in if you want the theme to follow your profile across devices. Next, check about Microsoft Edge to confirm you have the latest build, because some theme options require recent updates. Then click the three-dot menu, choose Settings, and pick Appearance. This is where the theme controls live and where you'll start making visible changes. You now choose or install the theme. First, try the built-in options, System Default, Light, Dark, or Custom, because they apply instantly and are reversible. Once you want more variety, click Get Themes to open the Edge add-on store. Search, preview, and pick a design that fits your workflow. When you find one, hit Install or Add to Edge. Make sure to preview it. If it's not right, you can switch back quickly without affecting bookmarks or settings. Finish by applying the theme and restarting Edge to force a full interface refresh. This ensures new colors update all UI elements. Once done, enable sync if you want the same theme on other signed-in devices. Make sure Profile Sync includes settings. If the theme fails to apply, try disabling extensions first, then clear the cache and restart. As a last resort, reset appearance settings in Settings. This resolves most
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.